Alright guys, good morning from Kodai. And today we are going to go for some local visit over here. And where are we going today, Mr. Rajmohan?
Pillar Rocks.
Yeah, Pillar Rocks are there, then
Some green viewpoint.
green viewpoint is there, then
we got a track to Pillar Rocks.
yeah, Pillar Rocks is a must. We are going there. And some viewpoint and the lake. And if time permits, the other places too, right?
Sure. And
So yeah.
waterfall is there.
Yeah, if we get time,
Time
we'll
is
go.
there, we'll go.
Sure. So if we get time, we're going there. So this is our plan, and here are our bikes. We are ready, and now we're off to some hotel for breakfast. All right, let's go. So today we are here for today's breakfast. We're having idli. Eh? Coffee. Tanari. We had breakfast and we are off to that rock place, and we have a viewpoint before that, so we will stop there too. Let's see. Come on. Okay, we're done with fueling and we're off to the Pillar Rock and the viewpoint. So we are going to take a view of the upper lake. Wow, that's the Kodaikanal lake. You can see the entire view over there. Removing rare mud guards, so all the water is being pumped at me. And Green Valley viewpoint is somewhere here, so we'll stop here. Walking through the streets to the Green Valley points. Great color. Look at the sky. Crystal clear. Last night I thought it might rain in the morning because there was a slight thunderstorm at night. Not slight. It was a big thunderstorm indeed. The climate is good.
Weather forecast was showing thunderstorms.
Yeah,
right?
thunderstorms. We bought some chocolates from there. The guy was very nice and even gave us a discount. I think it's a genuine one, right? Okay. So that's the suicide point, and which is right now called the Green Valley Point. And next we are off to that Pillar Rocks, right? Pillar Rocks. Next. Alright, so next Pillar Rocks. Let's go. God. So that's the place. off to that. Yeah, Pillar Rock. We're going there. Woo.
My face like scared.
Yeah. So how's this, Raj bro?
Just
Great, right? Yeah. How was it the last time you came here?
like I came here last year.
Yeah.
It was very foggy, man. You can't even see that.
Oh, you can see that. Oh, I see. Now it's clear. Yeah, you can't see anything. Just after we took the photos and videos, the fog came. Oh, lucky we were. Alright, so let's go to some other place. Great. Feeling really great. Oh, now it has started to get foggy. So the things on our list has ended. Now we have to see some other places. I mean, there are a lot of places to visit over here. We can't cover everything in a single day. So okay, so we're off at a place called Kodaikanal, and now I just came across a squid rider. My GoPro was off, so I didn't get what it did. He was on a scooter and he was like trying to race me on this road. Oh, I just didn't care. Bad. Okay, so Mr. Rajmohan Stubbs is up to some mischief.
Like it's kind of apple kind of fruit. It's called sour chili. It's very yummy actually. Got one?
Yeah, great.
This is
And then
bad idea actually. Give that. We'll can have from you. Try it നോക്കാം. ഇത് കഴിച്ചത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്?
Oh, it's foggy, and they said we have to walk 1 kilometer down and then we have to climb 1 kilometer up. Oh my god. Oh, it's completely foggy. This is Kodaikanal, right?
It's Kodaikanal.
Kodaikanal. Okay, okay. Kodaikanal dolphin nose.
So we are going to there.
Yeah, we're going down.
1 kilometer trek there.
Yeah.
Down. And
1 kilometer climb back up. Oh my god. That's gonna be a little tough job.
be careful, man.
Yeah, sure. All right. Really tired after descending. Now I don't know what's gonna happen when you're ascending. But it doesn't matter, we're walking up. So after that probably we'll go to eat and then we'll go back to our hotel, and then at night we'll roam around the city, that's all. And plan to go back home tomorrow morning. That's all. Okay guys, so we climbed all the way up. We came into some restaurant to have food, get fried rice, and okay, now we're all set. It's 3:30 in the evening. Now we're going back to our hotel and we'll take some rest and chill in the city in the evening and take some rest and go back morning. The climate here is very good. I mean, it's 16 degrees, I guess. Cold, great. Like when I checked the weather reports on the internet, it said thunderstorms, heavy rains. But to be honest, there's nothing sort of that. I mean, it was raining at night. There were thunderstorms, you know, lightning and thunder. Yeah, climate is great. I was talking about that. At night it was
pretty good.
yeah, the weekends was great.
Something.
Yeah.
It's all like Sabajili farms, all trees.
So, Riverside, yeah, the thunderstorms. So there was a great thunderstorm last night. So I thought it will be like that in the morning, but no, it's great. So we're going back and rest. Had a great day at Kodaikanal.
Okay, so Raijo is packing for tomorrow.
Yeah, getting ready for tomorrow's flight back home. So our plan is to go back home at like 5:30 a.m. in the morning to Trivandrum, and then we might reach around 1:30 or 2. Then I have to go to Cochin for some other reason, so I'll be going with my family in a car. Actually, we planned to go to Kochi by bike, right, Mr. Raj?
What?
We were planning to go to Kochi.
Yeah, through yeah, directly.
That Polachi route on our
It will
bikes.
take time, and
It will
it's
take
raining.
time
It's
and
rainy
it's
there.
rainy. So that's it. We'll go by 5:30 in the morning. Reach
Damn tired,
around
man.
1:30.
Okay.
Yeah, it's already 6:45 in the evening, and we'll have dinner and sleep right away.
Yep.
All right, guys, take care.